Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with the chapter area related to circles. Now topic is area related to circles. So before starting our topic, let us discuss about the sector and the segment. If we have a circle, let us suppose that this is a circle with the radius with center O. Okay, if we are going to draw a two radius from this, let us suppose these are the two radius and the region enclosed in these two radius, this region, it is known as the sector. SECTOR, sector of the circle. Actually there are two sectors of the circle. This one is the minor sector, which is a small portion, and remaining portion, this one, this is the major portion, and this is known as the major sector. Okay, now again let us suppose there is another circle with center O. Now we have to draw a chord. Chord is a line which can be drawn inside the circle, but it must not passes through the center, because if it passes through the center then it will become the diameter of the circle. Okay, now this is the chord. Suppose AB is the chord of the circle, and this shaded region, it is known as the segment of the circle. Actually this is a minor segment because it is a minor region, and remaining portion is the major portion, and it is known as the major segment. Okay, now in this we are going to discuss about the areas of these portions. This is sector and as sector and segment. Okay, now first of all we are going to write area of sector. Area of a sector is theta upon 360 into pi r square, where theta is the angle made between two radius of the circle and r is the radius. Okay, now second formula we are going to use is area of segment. Area of segment is theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Okay, now how we will calculate the area of the segment? To calculate the area of segment, but we will use, no, this is not an area of segment, this is actually length of the arc. This is length of arc. So which arc we are talking about? This one, this arc AB. Length of this arc AB, it is theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. But if we have to find the area of this segment, then its formula is area of segment, it is equals to area of, so what we are going to do is we are going to join AO and OB. Okay, now from this what we have to do, we just have to find the area of this sector first, this full sector, and area of sector, and we are going to subtract area of triangle from it. This one portion, if I am going to subtract from this full triangle, full sector, then remaining portion, that one is the blue one portion, it will be the area of the segment. Now area of segment is equals to area of sector minus area of triangle. Okay, now this is just introduction about the chapter of the area of the circle. Now we are going to start with the questions. First question is, find the area of the sector of the circle with radius 6 cm if the angle of sector is 60. So according to the first question, we have to find the area of sector whose radius is given 6 cm. whose radius is given 6 centimeter and the angle of sector is given as to be 60 degree. So actually the figure is like this. This is a circle. Okay. Now let us suppose this is the center O. So this radius is given to us 6 centimeter and angle between these two radius is theta, which is given to us 60. And what we have to find, we have to find the area of this shaded region. Okay, this is the sector. Now we have discussed earlier that area of sector, it is theta upon 360 into pi r square. So just apply this formula. Value of theta is given to us 60 divided by 360, and we know value of pi is 22 by 7 into r square, and r is the radius. It is given to us 6. So it will be 6 square. Now 0 and 0 will be cancelled. 6 into 1 is 6 and 6 into 6 36. We will get 1 by 6 into 22 by 7. 6 square means 6 multiplied by 6. So you can cancel this 6 also. You will get 22 upon 7 into 6. On multiplication we will get 132 by 7 centimeter square. And this is my area of sector. Second question is, find the area of quadrant of the circle whose circumference is given to us. Now what we have to find? We have to find the area of quadrant. Suppose if this is a circle and if I divide this circle into 4 equal parts from the center, and it means that these are my 4 quadrant. This is first, second, third and fourth, and total complete angle is of 360 degree. And if we are going to divide it into 4 parts, then we will divide into 4 and we will get our angle theta, which is equals to 90. So if we are going to find the area of quadrant, just we have to find the area of one quadrant only. Okay, now we have to apply the formula for area of sector. So what we need is, we need radius first, because theta we have calculated. What we have calculated, that is 90 degree. So now first one thing is more given to us, that is the circumference. Circumference of circle is given 22. With the help of circumference we will find the radius. Okay, formula of the circumference is 2 pi r. It is equals to 22. Okay, now 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equals to 22. If we will find r, it is become 22 into this 22 by 7 will come 7 by 22. This is 2 upon 1 and it can be written as 1 upon 2. 22 and 22 will be cancelled, and you will get r is equals to 7 by 2 centimeter. Now theta we have calculated, r we have also calculated. Now we can apply the formula of the sector and we can find the area of quadrant. Next we are going to find the area of quadrant. Area of quadrant, or you can write here sector also, because quadrant is what, it's actually a sector. So just apply the formula here. It is theta upon 360 into pi r square. Theta is 90 degree, we have calculated, upon 360 multiply 22 upon 7 into r square, and we have calculated r also, that is 7 by 2 whole square. 0 and 0 will be cancelled, and 9 into 4 is 36. We will get 1 by 4. 22 by 7, 7 by 22 and 7 by 22. Cancel 7 and 7. You can do cutting with 2. So we are left with 11 into 7, 4 into 2. So my area is 7 upon 8 centimeter square. So this is the area of quadrant. Okay. Next, third question is, The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Okay, clock is given to us. Suppose this is a clock with center O. Here time is 12. Here we have 6, 3 and 9. So let us read the statement again. The length of the minute hand of clock is 14 centimeter. We have to find the area swept by a minute hand in 5 minutes. So this is 1 and this is 2. Let us suppose that at any instant my minute hand is at 12. Okay. So, and length of this minute hand is given to us 14 centimeter. So we know that the distance from the center to the circumference is the radius. It means radius is given to us 14 centimeter. Now this minute hand covers the distance of 1 minute. 5 minutes. After 5 minutes it will reach at 1 o'clock. Okay. So we have to find this one area. So this one is what? It is a sector. So ultimately we have to find the area of sector. So before finding the area of sector, we have to calculate the angle also. Okay. Now how can we calculate the angle? We know that the complete angle is 360 degree. So if we start from here and this minute hand will take a full round, then it will total distance covered by total angle made by this minute hand is 360, but we have to find the angle made by it in 1 minute only. So in 1 minute how much angle does it make? Suppose this is the quadrant as we have earlier discussed, and the angle of the quadrant is, we all know what is it? It is 90 degree. Okay. Now if I will divide this portion into 1, 2 and 3 equal parts, what we have to do? We just have to divide 90 into 3 equal parts. So how can we divide 90 into 3 equal parts? By dividing it by 3. So here we can get theta is equals to 30 degree. Okay. Now with another method, how can we find if theta it is equals to, first of all we calculate the theta for 1 minute. So for 1 minute distance travel by the minute hand is 60 degree. Okay. And it will become 6. But we have to find, this is the theta for 1 minute. But according to question we have to find the theta for 5 minutes. So what we will do? We will multiply 6 by 5 and we will get 30. So you can find theta by this method also or by this method also. Now next, what we have to do? We just have to find the area of sector. And this is my sector now. When a minute had moved from 12 to 1. So area of sector, it is theta upon 360 into pi r square. Now theta is 30 upon 360. Pi is 22 upon 7 into r, and r is given to us 14. So it will be 14 square. 0 and 0 will be cancelled. 3 into 1 and 3 into 12. So you will get 1 by 12, 22 by 7, 14 into 14. 7 into 2 is 14. You can do cutting with 2 also. So here you will get 2 into 1 and 2 into 6. Again with 2, 2 into 3 and 2 into 11. So what is left here? 11 into 14 by 3. So it will become 154 by 3 and units are centimeter square. This is the answer. Okay. Next one is question number 4th. Question number 4th statement is the chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtend right angle at the center. Find the area corresponding to minor segment, sector and major sector. So what we have to find? We have to find, there are two parts. In first part I am going to find area of minor sector, and in second part I am going to find area of major sector. Okay, so chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter. The figure is, there is a circle with center O whose radius is given to us 10 centimeter. It subtend a right angle at the center. So it means there are two radius which is making the angle of 90 degree at the center. Okay, and we have to find the area of first of all we are going to find the area of minor segment. Okay, so let us find the area. First part, area of minor sector. Formula is theta upon 360 into pi r square. Now what is the minor sector? This portion is my minor sector. This is minor sector. We are going to find the area of this portion. Okay, so it will be theta. Theta is given to us 90. 90 upon 360, 22 by 7 r, and what is r? Radius is given to us 10. So it will become 1 by 4, 22 by 7, 10 into 10. So again cutting with 2, you will get 11 into 5 into 10 by 7, and it will be 550 by 7 centimeter square. Now in next part we have to find the area of major sector, and this is the major sector now. Okay, this is major sector. Now area of major sector is, how we can calculate it? We can apply the formula also, but if we are going to apply the formula, then we have to find the theta also. Theta is complete angle minus 90 degree, you will get theta, and you can apply this formula same. Or otherwise, how can you find? You can just find the area of this full circle, and we are going to subtract this segment from the circle, and the remaining portion will be the area of major sector. So we can do it like this also. Area of circle minus area of minor sector. So we all know that the area of a circle is pi r square, and the area of minor sector we have calculated. It is 550 upon 7. It is 22 upon 7 into 10 square. 550 upon 7. 22 into 10 square is 100. So it will become like this. So you will get 2200 minus 550 upon 7. Now what you can do? Subtract 2200 from 550. You will get here 1650 upon 7 centimeter square. So this is how you can calculate the area of major sector. But in this case, remember one thing: if theta is given to you, if value of pi is given to you 3.14, then you have to use it. Here I am using the pi is equals to 22 by 7 in both the parts. Okay, but if pi is given to you 3.14, then you, in place of 22 by 7, you have to use pi is equals to 3.14. Rest of the solution will remain same. Okay.